MTP 101, Unit 5, Familiarization and Usage of Tools and Equipment. Now we will move one step ahead and learn how to make blocks from objects picked up from our everyday life. Objectives. After going through this unit, you will be able to understand how to use some very common objects from our daily life as blocks. Have a complete idea about the tools and equipment used to create attractive patterns with the help of these blocks. Introduction. Block printing is the process of using an object to make an inked impression upon a plain surface. It is one of the oldest and most enjoyable of all crafts and has given color and pattern to paper, cloth, and other surfaces for nearly 4,000 years. Today the process is essentially the same, as it is simple and impressive. It is ideal for the beginner. Tools. The tools used for doing block printing can be of different kinds. For cutting materials such as vegetables, corks, erasers, and cardboards, a sharp knife or single-edge razor blade is used. Printing colors for paper and fabric. There is a wide range of color ranging from modern synthetic colors to most primitive traditional variety of colors. Some of these now will be chiefly described. Poster colors. These are water-soluble colors which are available in a wide range of shades in liquid form. They are best used undiluted. Acrylic colors. These are also water-soluble and quick-drying colors which are available in a wide range of shades in liquid form. Fabric colors. These are usually water-soluble and are fixed by ironing the printed fabric from the backside with a hot iron. Pigment colors. Pigment colors are not soluble in water and are used along with binder and other ingredients to form a printing paste. They are extensively used for creating designs using blocks. Self-check questions. You have gone through a little bit of lesson. Maybe I should ask you a couple of questions. The first question is, what are the tools used in making block printing? Question number 2, what are the colors used for block printing? If you have answered these questions, let us carry on. Fabric and papers. Any cotton fabric or paper will print well. Woven fabric with smooth surfaces will give the clearest prints and are especially good for small designs or those with fine details. Heavier fabric with rough textures are fine for bold designs. The sizes, or you can call it the starch, should be completely removed from the fabric, otherwise it will wash out later, taking some of the printed designs with it. Heavily sized fabric should be washed several times. When printing on paper, various textures can be tried, as each will give a different effect. Tissue paper, brown paper, wrapping paper, dusting paper, construction paper, or any drawing paper can be used for good results. Polished or glossy surface should be avoided, as these do not absorb the print or the ink or the color and may get smudged or spread. Printing surfaces. Printing surface or stamp pad can be made from 3 or 4 layers of cloth or felt placed in a shallow tray for printing with small blocks, erasers and sponges, etc. For printing large areas, surface or table should be firm, stable, strong. It must have a metal or thick wooden top covered with woolen blankets to give padding, and a waterproof topping is known in all print works as a back grey cloth. The function of a back grey cloth is to absorb any color which penetrates to the underside of the cloth. Swimming tub. The device which is used to hold the printing color is known as swimming tub or sieve. A sponge pad is spread in the bottom of the tray, on top of which printing paste is spread. The object of the tub is to ensure distribution of color as even as possible. Other equipment used for block printing can be the woolen cloth that is suitable for making the pads, the spoons which are used to pour the colors from the bottles, toothbrush for cleaning the blocks after printing. Rest of the equipment include pencil, or the markers are used for marking on the fabric. Paper. Rags and pins. Pins are used to attach the cloth with the printing surface. Summing up, in this unit, various tools related to block printing have been discussed. The main tool for printing are blocks in different shapes, printing inks, surface table, and the material used to help in block printing. Possible answers to the self-check question. The first answer was where I had asked you what are the tools used for doing block printing. Tools used for block printing are the cutting material, paints, printing surface, woolen cloth, swimming tubs, toothbrushes, paper, pencil, rags, and pens. The second question was about the colors. For that, the answer is fabric and pigment colors are used for printing on fabric. For paper, any type of water or poster paints can be used. I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson and you will be able to do little printing. Thank you.